Hi guys, welcome back. So this time I'm here with all of the thriller books that I read last month, and I'm currently also reading them. So I have like five. Yeah, these are the books that I read last month, and we're gonna talk about these one by one. What actually made me shocked, and like I'm gonna rate it for you guys so that you can also decide if you wanna read them or not. By the way, half of the books I read from them are like these three, Housemaid series and Never Lie, were like so popular right now, and they were all over my Instagram page, so I had to give them a try. Otherwise, these two books, I just wanted to try and explore some Indian authors, thrillers basically. Not this one, but this one. So I have read this, and I'm gonna tell you, not giving you spoilers, but yeah, I might. So these are the books that I'm gonna talk about in this video. And yeah, shout out to my bestie for giving me these beautiful handmade bookmarks. Yeah, so let's get it done. Let's get back to it. So the first book that we have is The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. And honestly, this book is the definition of one more chapter. You cannot put it midway. If you are reading it, you will complete it in one sitting. That's what I did. So it starts with a girl who gets a job of housemaid in a very, very rich household. And then the moment she steps in, she feels very off. Like everything feels very suspicious to her. Okay, the wife, the husband, the house itself is like very weird. And then when you think that you know what is going on around in the book, you absolutely do not. You will never expect key what is happening in this book. You will have to like have that one feeling where you will like, okay, I know what's happening, I know, and then you completely don't know it, just have a hint of what is happening. And the best part about this book was the pacing of it. It is not very overly complex or like that. It pulls you in like normally. You can't keep it book in midway. Give it a try. You'll surely love it. And the next book that we have is The Housemaid's Secret. And to be honest, this was way more unsettling to me than the previous one. And the mystery here feels very like whiter, but it is very darker. And this is some sort of book where you know that someone is hiding something, but you can't figure it out that who is hiding, and it just pulls you in to take you more deeper into this mystery. And what I like about Frida McFadden is that she, in general, writes very simply, and then you cannot even think, okay, like what is happening. But she knows how to make readers very, very uncomfortable. Like in the book, not something very huge is happening, but still it will make you feel anxious. Like, oh, what's gonna happen next? What will happen next? Even if she's unlocking the door and you feel like, okay, something is gonna happen like that. So if you like the first book of this series, you will definitely complete this in one sitting. One sitting, I'm telling you. It is this good. And by the way, the third book of this series that I'm currently reading, I've completed like half of it, but I'm not getting any time to read it any further. So I'm gonna give it a hold. And the third one, the most famous book on Instagram that I'm seeing right now is, drum rolls please, is this. Never Lie by Frida McFadden. And damn, this book, it made me question my sanity for like hours. I was just like looking at the wall. I was like, what actually happened? The atmosphere of this book was really, really good. Like an isolated house and a snowstorm, hidden secrets, and then creepy tapes. It feels like a movie while reading it. And I genuinely thought that I predicted the twist until around the last part, and everything completely flipped, guys. Okay. I am telling you, even if you don't like thrillers, I think you should read this one. You are not going to regret it for sure. So the fourth book that we have is Dead Night by Nidhi Upadhyay. And to be honest, guys, this felt very emotional than the rest of the books because it's about a group of friends and one tragic night, and years after that night, that thing is still following them. And what I liked about this book is that it's not just mystery. It focuses on the friendship, the guilt, and the memories and the consequences of your actions. And the books where characters are emotionally connected hits harder somehow. So if you are someone who wants to try any Indian thrillers, you should go for this. Definitely, it's a must if you are going to step into that world of Indian authors writing mysteries. And And the fifth book that I am actually reading currently is The Shimla Affair by Shrishti Chaudhary. And guys, the moment I started it, it immediately gave me those hill station mystery vibes. Though I'm not very far into it yet, but yeah, I like it. अभी तक जितना मैंने पढ़ा है इसको, so I will be covering it in my next video, and I'll tell you about if you should read this or not. I was actually about to order Lalan Sweets because it was very famous and all over my Instagram, and I was like I should read it, but because this was recently published and I wanted to give it a try because it matches up with the books that I like. So I thought I will read this first and then I'll order them. So yeah, we'll do a different video, a proper video about Shrishti Chaudhary and her books when I'll get the other books of her. So yes, guys, these were the books that was in my mind from last few days, and it is never ever too late to start reading. So if you are a beginner who is just started reading recently, you guys can read it too. It is not very complex, all the books that I've said. And honestly, reading thrillers like these is what inspires me while writing my own mystery projects. Because I love the stories where every detail matters and everyone feels suspicious. Like it could be anyone. I like these sort of books. So yes, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And if you're new here, do subscribe my channel so that I'll keep you updated on my recent project, The Missing Dead, and also the one I was working previously on, Beneath the Ashes. And you guys are gonna love it. I'm sure of it. If you like thrillers, you are definitely going to love it. And also because those books that I'm writing, they are romantic thrillers. So obviously, if you are romance readers or you are thriller or suspense readers, you all are going to love it. And we'll talk about it in the next video. Bye bye guys. Take care. Stay safe.